good morning. It's another money making Tuesday, you guys. It's Tuesday today, and I am ready for today, you guys. I am ready for today, and I just received my first order, which is $21. It's going 5 miles, and it's a shopping order. The shopping order. I'm going to shop 17 items, y'all. 17 items. So just dropped my kids to school and I am on my way going to Walmart. $17, you guys, going 5 miles. It's a shopping order. Shopping for 25 items, yeah. 25 items. Let's go. So you guys, I don't know how I'm gonna do it today. I am super sleepy. Yesterday night, I went to sleep so late and I had to wake up so early to take the kids to school. So I'm super sleepy. So I don't know. Like I feel tired. I feel like just wanna go back in bed. The weather it makes it worse. The weather makes it worse, yeah. So I don't know. It's arrived, yeah. He helped me with some of the items. Okay, let's go back. Okay, yeah. It's currently 11, and I missed my 10 o'clock order. Like the whole hour I didn't get an order because it's getting slow. So I just received an order right now, $15, a shopping order, $15, and it's going 6 miles, and I'm shopping for 19 items. And hello. And we don't have a cart. So let me go outside and look for some carts. I'm going to check. We don't have carts on this interest here. Hey y'all, let's go drop this order. It's 13 minutes away. 13 minutes away, and today you guys, it's not like last few days. Today is a little different now. Today is a little different now. We've been here waiting for orders, yeah. It's a kind of slow. So I hope after 2 it's going to be great, but let's see how the day's going, yeah. Let's see how the day's going. Okay, yeah, we're here. I'm at the house right now, and the customer said to leave this in a carport. So let's go. All right. I just received this offer, you guys. $15 for it's a shopping order, and it's 10 miles. And shopping for 9 items. But guess what? Yes, it's super slow, but I'm not gonna take this offer. I feel like 10 miles and $15. No. I'm gonna sit here and wait. 10 miles and $15, and it's a shopping order. No, let's wait for the next one, yeah. Let's wait. Just received the new offer, you guys. Ooh, let me stretch. Okay, $24. It's going 7 miles, and we are shopping for 2 people, you guys. We're shopping for 2 people, so let's go. So the items altogether is 18 items, and they both have 9 items. So each one is 9 items. Okay, all done shopping, y'all. This is person A, and this is for person B. So it's time to put it. So I'm gonna put person A over here and person B at the back seat. Okay, yeah, so this order over here, it was a curbside order, and it was for $18, 5 mayo with 2 drops. I already dropped my first one, so this is my second drop off, y'all. So, and I am here at the house. Let's go drop it off. Very beautiful houses, very big house. Let me go back and get water, because they have water as well. This area, y'all, is a very beautiful area. You have one of those big houses. I love it. $20, you guys, going 3 mayo, and we are going to shop for 30 items. 30 items, you guys. Let's go shop this order, and right now it's $240. After this order, when I've added together, we have $117. So let's go shop this order. All right, you guys, I'm done shopping, so it's time to put everything in here so we can go drop it off. Yeah, everything is good. Oh my gosh, I just witnessed. Did you see that, y'all? Well, I just witnessed, y'all. I just witnessed. So I hope they're gonna solve everything. And they're still there. So I took this order knowing that it's gonna be first floor, but unfortunately C is on the second level, y'all. Oh. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna take my time, take the smallest things ever. Oh. Yo, let me breathe. Oh. This is my third trip. Up and down, up and down, up and down. And I'm gonna make this last trip, y'all. I don't care how heavy it is. I'm gonna make this to be last trip. I know this one is heavy. It's gonna make it much heavier, but it's better than coming back again on those steps. Take a deep breath. I'm tired. Sure. I'm done. $16, you guys. It's going 3 mayo, and I'm only going to shop for 7 items. 7 items, guys. Let's go. Okay, I just delivered. Okay, you guys, it's almost 5, and finally we received the curbside order for, I think this is our first since in the morning. I don't remember. And $16 we're only dropping 2 drop off, and it's going to Maya. So I was like, why not? Let me pick it up. Let me pick this order up. So our pickup time is I forgot. Yo, okay, 4:55. So 4:55 is our pickup time. So I hope they're gonna come on time because I'm trying to make this money. I'm trying to make 200 today. Yeah, I'm trying to make. Although it was too slow. I'm trying to make 200. I'm gonna finish a little bit late today because I took my daughter to get her hair done. So I'm gonna go home whenever they finish her hair. So I'm not going anytime soon. So probably that's gonna be like around 8 or around 7. It will depend. So okay, I'm here to my second drop off because I already dropped my first one, and this thing here is going third floor. Yeah, I'm going third floor. See you over there. I have to look which door to go to. Yeah, I don't remember. Okay, 3G. Let's go to 3G. $14, you guys, going for Mayos, and we're only shopping for 3 items. So this person needed a green pepper and they don't have it. So I guess she will cancel this order because she only needed green pepper, onions, and red green pepper. So let me see how it's gonna go. It's raining, you guys. It's raining. You guys, we just received another order, $22. It's a shopping order, and I'm going to shop 17 items, and it's going to Maya, you guys. And right now, as I'm speaking, it's 5:56, you guys. 5:56, and I'm almost reaching my goal. I only need $15 more, and I get $200. So $15 more, you guys. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Hold on. Yo, this drop was super smooth. Him and his son came to pick everything up. I was like, thank you so much. And it's raining, yeah. Thank you so much. How sweet. So anyway, they haven't called me to tell me if they are done doing her hair. So I'm still out here, you guys. I'm still out here. I'm trying to get only one more order, and boom, I'm done. Only one more order to get to 200, then I'm done. So I'm missing only $15. So I'm trying to get an order over $15 right now. I received an order. Let me go check it. It was bad order, y'all. It was bad order. So right now it's 6:36, y'all. 6:36. Let me wait for the last order. Last order. Yo, so I received a curbside order. It was $25 and 3 miles and 2 drop off. So this one here is my last drop off. So I am here in front of the gate, but the gate doesn't it's not letting me in, y'all. So I texted the customer. I tried to call, they didn't answer. I texted, so I'm just here waiting for the customer to reply. Okay, finally, y'all, I called her and she picked up the phone and she tried to give me the code, but it doesn't work. So she said she's coming to get her stuff because the code is not coding right now. And that's her stuff back there. Alright, yeah, so she came grab her stuff. So this is it here. This is the end of the video. It's 7:30 right now. They haven't called me, so I'm just stopping here because I reached my goal already. So we are done, you guys. We made $2.11 and some cents. $2.11, you guys. Oh my, I didn't know that I was going to make this much money today, because in the morning it started off like it was super slow in the morning, but after 2 it catch up. So thank you guys for watching. Please, if you have been watching my video and haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit subscribe. Go ahead and join this family. I love you guys, and don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, don't forget to thumbs up, because every time you thumbs up it helps with the YouTube to push out my video to more people. Bye bye guys, I love you. I see you tomorrow.